Welcome. Today we're talking about the biceps brachii muscle. We'll cover four main points: origin, insertion, action, and innervation. To understand this muscle properly, let's begin with its starting point, the origin. The biceps brachii has two heads, a short head and a long head. Let's break them down. The long head originates from the supraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. The short head originates from the coracoid process of the scapula. Now that we know where it starts, let's see where it attaches. The biceps brachii inserts into the radial tuberosity of the radius and the bicipital aponeurosis, which blends into the forearm fascia. Next, what does this muscle actually do? The biceps brachii is responsible for flexing the elbow, supinating the forearm. Finally, which nerve powers this muscle? The biceps brachii is innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve, which comes primarily from spinal roots C5 and C6. All right then, let's do a quick review. The muscle is the biceps brachii, and it has two heads. The long head originates from the supraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. The short head originates from the coracoid process of the scapula. Both heads insert into the radial tuberosity, and some fibers also attach to the bicipital aponeurosis. Its main actions are elbow flexion and forearm supination. It's innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve coming from spinal roots C5 and C6. So basically, this muscle plays a key role every time you lift something or rotate your forearm. And that's a full breakdown of the biceps brachii. A small muscle, but a powerful one. Now you know how it works, how it moves, and why it matters. But trust me, this is just the beginning. We're unlocking the entire human body, one muscle, one nerve at a time. So if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any content that makes anatomy simpler, clearer, and more enjoyable to learn. This is Anatomy Unlocked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.